after all the hoopla here with the Federal Reserve cutting, as everybody expected, you can see the pound has really just kind of fallen off. There was one opportunity early this morning for a nice flag play. You can see this here. Market had broken up, ran this flag down, pushed up to the upside here. After this really quick move up, here was your little dipper entry. So a couple different entries for today's session. The little dipper was actually right at the tail end of the sweet spot. Sometimes this can be a little bit frustrating because the market is giving you a signal right near the end. And, this is a trade where I just have to use my judgment. If I think that the market's got enough momentum coming in, sometimes I will take these trades. But, we can't, how do I say this? You don't want to try, again, don't put the market into a box. Sometimes you can take them, sometimes you can't. Basically, what I was just thinking is, well, how do I really go through that process? And I think what it amounts to is this. If the market coming into the close of the session looks like this, where there's not a lot of activity going on, or it looks like this, where there's not a lot of activity going on, then you know what? I want to hold back because I don't want to count on the market just sort of picking up out of nowhere. But when you've got some good volatility coming into the European session, you've got good volatility coming into New York, and then late in the session, like we see here, this was 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock Eastern, that's a different story. Then, I see that there's activity. I'm not counting on activity needing to come in. I just need to see that the activity is going to continue. So, this would be one of those times where, I'd be looking to take a trade coming into the end of the session. Okay, so a couple of really good opportunities. Let's highlight those again. Here's the flag opportunity here. Then if you didn't catch the flag or you don't like how sloppy it was, there's the little dipper giving you a really nice entry. Remember, the little dipper, we want to see the market moving very, very quickly to the upside and then coming down here, stopping at the 618 retracement. So you can see here the market took 1, 2, 3, 4 bars to move up and then came down in 1, 2. Beautiful, picture-perfect little dipper. Boom, pops up. Gives you your 20 pips actually very, very quickly, and then some. This one actually wound up from the little dipper point. Let's do it this way. I'm doing this off of the chart.